The global landscape is shifting faster than ever, and old-school survival advice from a decade ago won't protect your family against modern grid threats. If you are still prepping the exact same way you did a few years ago, your strategy is already obsolete. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today we are breaking down the top 5 best SHTF prepping tips for 2026. Let's go! Number 1. Audit caloric math and eliminate pantry errors. Long-term food stockpiling is your primary line of defense, but simply stacking random canned goods is a massive mistake. You must shift your focus to precise prepper pantry management, tracking exact daily caloric needs, macro ratios, and aggressive shelf life rotation schedules so your inventory doesn't expire when you need it most. Number 2. Secure physical silver for grid-down barter. Relying entirely on digital banking or fiat currency in a severe collapse is a critical vulnerability. Wealth preservation means moving a portion of your capital into alternative tangible assets, specifically physical silver. Stockpile fractional silver coins and bullion now to serve as your primary medium of exchange in a grid-down barter economy. Number 3. Build multi-layered climate mitigation plans. Grid fragility is at an all-time high, making extreme weather events like severe heat waves a lethal threat if the power fails. Do not rely on standard HVAC systems. You must establish off-grid climate solutions, thermal mass cooling banks, and alternative power backups to regulate your home's core temperature during blackouts. Number 4. Implement DIY sanitation and vector control. When municipal services collapse, pest infestations and vector-borne diseases spike instantly. You must master homemade, low-cost defensive countermeasures using basic chemical compounds like borax, sugar, and natural infusions to secure your property's perimeter from biological threats. Number 5. Decentralize your comms and power networks. If the primary cellular or electrical infrastructure goes dark, you are completely isolated. Invest heavily in decentralized communications like ham or GMRS radios, and ensure your tactical gear is backed up by portable, independent solar generation arrays. The window to prepare is shrinking by the day. Fix the gaps in your strategy before the grid makes the choice for you. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I will see you next time.